Alright, this controls the switches for the windows and all that good stuff. And you got one right here for the mirror. There is no room to unplug that. Just one little tab on the bottom. Now, the mirror is ready to come out, but I gotta take the speaker out too. There's one little tab in there that is a pain in the ass. It's right there actually. It's a son of a gun. The new mirrors do not use that same tab, so there it goes. All right. One mirror down. That wasn't very smart of me. Checking it out, making sure it looks good. Looks pretty straight. We'll go ahead and tighten that up. Plug all this back in. Maybe it goes this way. All right. That's supposed to go up in there. No, it was up in there on the other one. Hopefully that's fine. I guess we'll find out. Now this. This is for, I got a light in the mirror right here. I'll show it to you here in a minute. And we got to fish this into the cab to hook it up. I'm going to hook it up to my switch panel, so I don't really want it coming on every time I put it in reverse. Go get me a piece of wire, something I can try to fish it up in there with, and some tape. Alright, so we're going to go through this grommet right here. Come on, baby. Alright, so got that through. Just gonna pull all the wires through there. I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up to this so it looks halfway professional.
Oh, he got it all tore apart. Wires are hanging.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got the new mirror on already?
Yeah. I'm running the I'm running the wire down for that light.
Oh, I see. They got a little spotlight blind people in it.
Well, it's for reverse.
Well, I mean, let them suckers on, it'll wake them up.
Oh yeah.
They'll let you know you're coming back.
Alright, there's that. Now the real fun part is going to be getting it into the cab. So there's a kick plate down here that needs to come off to get it in there. I don't know if I'm in there yet or not. Just trying to bend the wire as I'm going in. I finally got the wire through there. That was kind of a pain in the butt, but it's through. So now I'm going to tape it to it again, pull these in, and it'll be ran. You can put the door back together. Just like that. Put a little bit of tape in there to hold the wires so they can't get messed up. Alright, so this wire runs this light. The truck is not factory with that wire, so we ran it down, taped it up so it looks like it's supposed to be there. Taped it up there and there. We had to run it through this boot into the cab. And then, yeah, so now I'm gonna button this door back up because everything's on this door. Now we will put the speaker back in. Plug that in. Bam. Now I had a couple clips that didn't come off with the door panels, so we're going to pull them out, put them back in. All right, that's for that. This goes right here. This, oh, this is a piece. Where's the other piece? Right there. There. Now.
Wanna help Daddy?
Everything except for that light.
What, the little one?
Yeah. Everything else works.
Why you don't want that little light, or you just can't figure it out?
I gotta hook it up.
Oh.
Yep. Alright. So now I gotta go over and pull the other one apart, get those wires ran over here, tie it into these wires, and then I'm gonna run it to this button. So I don't have to have them on every time the reverse lights come on.
Will you ever use them?
Alright, now swap over to the other side. Alright. Yeah, I got them right here hooked up to the backup. Go ahead and turn the key on. We'll turn those on. Those turn on those LEDs. Turn signals work. Power mirrors. And it's got running lights on the front that are smoked. Everything is hooked up. They look good. They look real good. Happy with them. Thanks for watching.